Yeah, it's gonna stick in. But try not to hit it right there, because I'm not walking in that. Let's see if Hannah can do it. She used to be an All-American long thrower in middle school.
Look at that.
Oh, did you see that beastness? Let's go get that thing. Now it's my turn. Let's see what I can do. Now, I'm gonna try not to get an epic fail.
Like I just did.
While at the same time, hit the ball goal and stick it in the ground. It's not mandatory to hit the ball goal. I just gotta go over the ball goal. Maybe. It's Hannah's turn. Let's see what she can do.
Yeah.
By the way, P.S. This is my backyard.
Mine too.
Hers too.
No, it doesn't.
Because she's always over here. She really lives with my uncle. But you know, she comes over here every weekend because I gotta work.
Okay. Let's see what I can do.
Let's see if she can get it. The All-American long thrower.
Epic fail.
Dude, I couldn't see it. It went somewhere. I see it. You want to go again, Hannah? See if you can get something this time.
I keep on throwing them.
I see.
Embarrassing.
Yeah. We all can't be a star. If I would have hit that other way, I would have stuck in there, man. I believe I can soar.
You should have stuck with that.
I did, I think. Slip if I didn't get it.
Guys, Justin's turn.